Building a productive daily routine can change your life. It helps you manage time better, reduce stress, and achieve your goals faster. Here is a simple step-by-step guide to create a routine that works for you. Step 1. Plan your day the night before. Before going to bed, spend a few minutes planning your next day. Write down the most important tasks you need to complete. This helps your mind stay focused and ready for the day ahead. Step 2. Wake up early. Waking up early gives you extra time to start your day calmly. Try to get up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This creates a consistent sleep pattern, which improves your energy and focus. Step 3. Start with a morning ritual. Begin your day with a simple ritual like stretching, drinking water, or meditating for 5 minutes. This wakes up your body and mind, preparing you to be productive. Step 4. Prioritize your tasks. Use a list to organize tasks by importance. Start with the most important or difficult task first. This is called eating the frog. Finishing big tasks early makes the rest of the day easier. Step 5. Break work into time blocks. Work in focused time blocks such as 25 to 50 minutes followed by short breaks. This method, known as the Pomodoro technique, helps keep your attention sharp and prevents burnout. Step 6. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking can reduce efficiency and increase mistakes. Give full attention to the task at hand before moving to the next. Step 7. Include time for breaks and movement. Take short breaks to relax and move your body. Walking, stretching, or deep breathing can improve your concentration and energy. Step 8. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone or computer when working on important tasks. Create a quiet workspace to help you focus better. Step 9. Reflect and adjust. At the end of the day, spend a few minutes reviewing what you accomplished. Note what worked and what didn't. Use this to improve your routine the next day. Step 10. Maintain consistency. Stick to your routine for at least a few weeks. Consistency helps build habits that support productivity over the long term. Following these simple steps will help you build a daily routine that boosts your productivity, reduces stress, and moves you closer to your goals every day. Start today and see how small changes create big results.